Hi everybody, welcome back to Wish and Tales. Today I have another unboxing for you. Now this one I ordered off of Amazon on April 10th. I received it on April 20th, so that wasn't too bad. The company is called Runfar, and I'm anxious to get into this. I want to see what it looks like, how many colors it has, all that good stuff. But this is what I ordered. I love dragons, as you guys may or may not know. It is a 40 by 50. So we are going to see. The only thing I did was take it out of the package itself. I did not open it. And now let me tell you, the package that this came in would have fit a weed eater. That's how big that box was. It cracked me up so much when I opened it. But so we're just going to get into this and see what it's like. Hope you guys are doing well while I'm doing this here. We are pretty much, nothing has changed here as far as work schedules and all that good stuff. My son still works, my husband still works, nothing has changed on that. So, and the reason I have it flipped over is because it is poured glue. And we'll look at the canvas together, so be patient. Here's the inventory sheet. There are 25 colors. It came with some washi tape, which is cool because I was running out of tape. And look how they package their drills. That is awesome. I have gotten quite used to working out of bags. I like my jars the best though, but I have got quite used to working out of the bags. Let's see. Let's just look at some of these. I don't know, does it tell you how many? Well, I'm not going to count how many diamonds. It just tells you how many diamonds are in each bag. But it does look like I have all 25 colors. And it comes with labels. So that's good, can always use those. And then the kit comes with the nice, heavy, really pointy tweezers. Comes with a squishy, a pen with a 9-placer, and blue wax, and just a regular white funnel tray. So that is nice. I'll have to try that blue wax. I've never had the blue wax before. I have this wax that I bought, and that's pretty good. But if you're pressing down on them, it squishes out of your pen head, so it leaves a lot of debris behind, a lot of wax behind on your diamonds sometimes. So I'm just going to look at some of these. These pinks are absolutely beautiful. Look at that gorgeous pink, guys. Can you see that? Let me see if I can zoom in on. Oh, there you go. You can look and see how pretty they are. Those look like really good. It is a square, as you can see. They look like perfect diamonds. I don't see any trash. Those are some beautiful color. I love that pink. Absolutely love it. And it does have the DMC numbers on the inventory sheet. So you can go back and look. Like this is number 18. That beautiful color is 3607. So that is awesome, and I'm actually going to put these back in here. I'm going to put the inventory sheet with it so that I can set this up at a later date. I obviously have a lot of diamond paintings to do. I'm still trying to get back to my normal video schedule. My mornings are a little different now. It has nothing to do with the pandemic. It's just now my mornings have been a little crazy now. So I haven't been able to edit a bunch of videos. Plus I had computer issues. But I'm trying to get back to it. So let's look at this beautiful canvas. And I might have to take you down to show you. Now these are not wrinkles in the glue. Oh, I guess I should zoom you back out, huh? That might help. So there is the canvas. It looks like she's holding a water lily, is what it looks like. And let's test out stickiness. Oh, that is some nice sticky stuff there. And the symbols. Let's go down here and look at the symbols. Ooh, look how clear they are. I hate those. Where are we at? I can't stand those there. I hate those. Those ones with the little arrows. But they look nice and clear. That's a good thing. And I'm sorry I'm moving you around a little bit. But there is her, my little pink dragon. 40 by 50. It's from the company called Runfar off of Amazon. That is the only place I've been able to find Runfar so far. That's the company right there. And again, the diamonds are absolutely gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen them that beautiful before. And you can clearly tell that they are good quality diamonds. I mean, you can tell. I'm sorry for the glare there. I'm trying to get off the glare. But you can tell those are really good quality as far as the shape. So, of course, as with all of them, once I get them done, this one I might do in a time lapse just because she's so pretty. I think it might be fun to watch her done in a time lapse. Well, there you have it, guys. Remember to visit me on Instagram at Wishing Tales. Or you can come over to my Facebook group at Wishing Tales Diamond Painting and show me what you guys are working on or what you're wishing for. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Stay safe.